did you do to your glasses? Oculus Reparo. Oculus Reparo.
I definitely need to remember that one.
I'm gonna love you when our time is right.
She looks beautiful. Yeah, she does.
Be thinking of you every day and every night.
Don't ever let me give you a haircut again.
To think you're somewhere in this world, and someday I will make you my wife.
Maybe we should just stay here, Harry. Grow old.
So every day we're not together, I hope you know that you'll be alright.
Wish we're here, Hermione.
'Cause I'm gonna make you feel like you're the only girl in the world, like you're the only one that I'll ever love, like you're the only one who knows my heart.